Hello everyone. The wait is finally over. Microsoft has officially announced the general release of Windows 11 version 24H2, also called the Windows 11 2024 update. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of installing the 24H2 update on both supported and unsupported PCs. On October 1st, 2024, Microsoft released Windows 11 version 24H2 and is now rolling it out to the rest of the Windows 11 users. As a major release, Windows 24H2 will include several new features. To install it, go to your settings and navigate to the Windows Update page. Ensure the Get the Latest Updates as soon as their available toggle is turned on. Click on Check for Updates. You'll only receive the update if your computer has no compatibility, driver, or software issues. Microsoft typically rolls out major feature updates in phases, so many users, including myself, might not see the update immediately, even with the toggle enabled. If you don't want to wait, just open your browser, search for Windows 11 Download, and press Enter. You'll notice that it has now been updated to version 24H2, meaning it's officially available. You can use the Windows 11 Installation Assistant to install it, but we won't be discussing that in this video. Scroll down and click on Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO for 64-bit devices. Select the product language carefully. You need to choose the same language as your current Windows 11 version. If you're unsure, you can easily check by going to your settings and navigating to the time and language section. You can spot your Windows language here. If you're still uncertain, open Command Prompt as an administrator and type the following command: dism /online /get-intl. You can see the default system UI language is United States. Go back and select your language from the drop-down menu. I'll choose the same language, then click Confirm. It says the link is valid 24 hours from time of creation. Just click on 64-bit download. Your download will start, and it's approximately 5.41 gigabytes, so it may take a while. Also, ensure you're not on a limited data plan, since the download will use around 5.41 gigabytes of data. I have already downloaded it, so no need to download it again. Once the download is complete, go ahead and extract the ISO file. You can use Power ISO to extract the files. Extract the content onto the desktop and name it Win24H2. Here, you'll find all the Windows 11 installation files. If your hardware is supported and can run Windows 11 24H2 smoothly, you can simply click on the Setup file to begin the installation. Click on Change how the setup download updates. It gave you two options: download updates, drivers, and optional features, which is recommended. If you don't want to download it, just click on Not Right Now and click on Next. It says Ready to Install. Click on Change what to keep. You can keep personal files and apps, in which you will be able to manage your Windows settings. Number 2, keep personal files only, where your settings and apps will be deleted, but your files will be kept. Lastly, nothing. Everything will be deleted, including files, apps, and settings. Select Keep Personal Files and Apps and click on Next. Click on Install. The installation process will begin and may take some time, so please be patient until it is finished. Here it is, everyone. Our Windows 11 24H2 has been successfully installed. As you can see, all data remains intact. If you want to verify this, go to your Windows settings, then navigate to System and select About. There, you'll find your Windows version listed as 24H2. Alternatively, you can use the Run command by typing WinVer and pressing Enter to see your Windows version and build number. If you are on Unsupported PC, this is what you need to do. Click on the Setup file again. If you are on Unsupported machine, this is what you will see. Just close the Setup page. In the installation files, locate a folder named Sources and double-click to open it. Inside the Sources folder, look for a file named appraisers.dll. Make sure it's the correct one and not appraiser.dll. Once you find it, open it, then choose Notepad and click just once. Delete all the content within the Notepad. Go to Edit and choose Select All and hit the Delete. Go to File and save it. Then close the Notepad. Go back to the installation folder and run the setup file again. If you successfully bypass the Windows 11 requirements page, you can continue with the installation. If you got the same message again, don't worry. We'll use Command Prompt to bypass the Windows 11 requirements page. With this option, you have to sign in into your Microsoft account before you can do it. Open the Windows search icon and type CMD, then run it as an administrator. Next, navigate to the folder where Windows 11 24H2 is extracted and go to the Sources folder. Copy the path from the top of the window. In the command prompt, type cd and paste the path you copied and hit Enter. Type setupprep.exe space/product server and hit Enter. This will fire up the Windows 11 setup file. It might display Install Windows Server, but don't worry, it's actually for Windows 11. We have successfully bypassed the Windows 11 requirements page. Click on Accept. Choose the first option and click on Next. Click on Install. The installation process will begin and may take some time, so please be patient until it is finished. Our Windows 11 24H2 has been successfully installed. I'm not sure if you encountered this too, but my wallpaper changed unexpectedly. I don't know why it happened, but I'll go ahead and change it back to the previous one. If you want to verify this, go to your Windows settings, then navigate to System and choose About. There, you'll find your Windows version listed as 24H2. Alternatively, you can use the Run command by typing WinVer and pressing Enter to see your Windows version and build number. At this point, you can safely delete the copy of the installation files from the desktop, as they are no longer needed and take up valuable space. Thank you for watching. Let me know how this worked out for you, and feel free to ask any questions in the comments. I'll do my best to respond. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. To see more content like this, hit the subscribe button so you'll be notified whenever new videos are released.